Hi, Andromeda, what are you doing? What are you doing? You taking laundry out of the hampers? Can you put it back in? You threw that sock right on the floor. You playing tug-of-war with the laundry basket? That's a sock. You should put the sock back in the hamper. There you go. Thank you. No. What's the matter?